Why sky appears blue? Sunlight, which appears white to the human eye, is a mixture of all colors of the rainbow. The sky is blue because of three simple factors. Number 1. Sunlight is made out of light of many different wavelengths.
Red has the longest wavelength and violet has the shortest wavelength.
Number 2. The Earth's atmosphere is made out of molecules that scatter different wavelength light by different amounts.
If particles are less than wavelength, then Rayleigh scattering takes place. In Rayleigh scattering, the particle scatters only the shortest wavelength, such as blue and violet color. Rayleigh scattering takes place in oxygen and nitrogen molecules.
If particles are greater than wavelength, then Mie scattering takes place. In Mie scattering, the particle scatters all the colors of the sunlight and produces white. Example, dust and pollen. Number 3. Sensitivity of our eyes. These three things together make blue sky inevitable.
Sunlight is made up of all the different colors of light.
The photosphere of our sun is so hot at nearly 6000 Kelvin, it emits a wide spectrum of light from ultraviolet at the highest energies and into the visible, from the violet all the way to red and then deep into the infrared portion of the spectrum.
The highest energy is also the shorter wavelength and high frequency, while the lower energy has the longer wavelength and low frequency than the high energy counterparts.
When you see a prism split up sunlight into its individual components, the reason the light splits because of the fact the redder light has the longest wavelength than the bluer light.
The blue component of the spectrum of visible light has shorter wavelengths and higher frequencies than the red component.
Thus, as sunlight of all colors passing through air, the blue part causes charged particles to oscillate faster than the red part. The faster the oscillation, the more scattered light is produced. So, blue is scattered more strongly than red.
For particles such as air molecules that are much smaller than the wavelengths of visible light, the difference is dramatic.
The acceleration of the charged particles is proportional to the square of the frequency.
The intensity of the scattered light is proportional to the square of this acceleration.
The result is that blue light is scattered into other directions almost 10 times efficiently as red light. But why sky is blue and not violet?
The sunlight that hits the atmosphere is therefore not equal mix of all colors, but is the mix of all colors with red-orange dominating and with more blue than violet, at least in frequency space. This helps explain why the sky is blue and not violet.
Moreover, human eyes perceive color in a non-linear fashion. For instance, if a blue spot on the wall sits next to the violet spot on the wall with equal brightness, our eyes will perceive the blue spot to be brighter in a loose sense. Our eyes are more sensitive to blue light than violet light. Thus, the sky appears blue to us. And guys, don't forget to subscribe our channel.